is Bizworth Nigeria TV News Briefs. Here are the highlights of some news making rounds today. I am Falake. There are reports that Nigerians are among top foreign buyers of choice properties in different parts of South Africa, with particular focus on developing areas. According to the reports, Nigerians and other foreign buyers purchased about 670 properties worth about 800 million rands in KwaZulu and 260 properties worth about 23 million rand in the Eastern Cape. The Nigerian Communications Commission last weekend gave its nod of approval for telecommunication firms in the country to take their businesses to the Nigerian Stock Exchange for listing. Investors' interest is building up on Nigeria's 300 million bond set to debut before the end of the year, even as the Debt Management Office advances preparations for the issue. Abraham Mwanko, Director General DMO, who disclosed this, said the bond issuance has been planned for the year, but the federal government was closely watching developments locally and globally before launching into the market. There are reports that the federal government generated a total of 5.2 billion naira between 2009 and 2013 from royalties in mining. Acting Director of Mines Inspectorate, Federal Ministry of Mines and Steel Development, Dauda Awojabi, made this disclosure in Abuja on Sunday. As part of its mandate to spur inclusive growth through real sector financing, the Bank of Industry has so far issued loans totaling 692 billion naira, even as it has resolved to explore new funding alternatives to aid in realization of its key mandates. In line with efforts to boost the Central Bank of Nigeria's cashless policy, Three-Line Card Management, Nigeria's premier provider of financial inclusion solutions, and FCMB have joined forces to provide agency banking services that will cater to the needs of the unbanked and underbanked Nigerians. And on sports, the World Cup final match between Argentina and Germany broke media records with the most tweets per minute of any event posted during the game. There were 32.1 million tweets about the match worldwide, with about 618,725 made per minute, official figures from Twitter show. For details on this news update, please visit www.bizworthnigeria.ng. You can also follow us on Twitter at bizworthnigeria and like our fan page on facebook.com/bizworthnigeria. That'll be all for now, but before I leave you, remember that men's best successes come after their disappointments. Those are the words of Henry Woodside.